Hey there, altcoin fans, and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today, guys, we're going to do some basic math, and I'm going to show you my realistic long-term prediction for Chili's or the CHZ token. And as always, guys, if you like the content, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, and please give the video a thumbs up. It only helps me, and why not, right? And also, guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter with the link in the video description. Sometimes I like to do giveaways from time to time. I'm not very big on Twitter, but, hey, if you're into giveaways, then go ahead and follow me on Twitter. It's there for the option. All right, guys, so for those of you that know me, you already know that the way that I do my long-term price predictions is, well, first of all, I'm a long-term holder. For people who don't know me, I've been holding on to coins for 5+ years. I do not sell. This is my retirement, so I don't sell. I'm in this for the long term. I'm talking 10 plus years. So that's what it is. And as far as the way that I figure out my predictions is, they're not predictions. I'm not telling you that, CHZ is going to be trading for $1,000 in 5 to 10 plus years. That's not what I'm doing. I'm in this for the long term. I like to be realistic about this stuff because I want to make money in the long term. This is my money. I want it to be worth something extra in the future. So I'm going to take this stuff seriously. All right, so I'm going to do this on a very basic level. Literally, I just do some basic math, and that's literally it. So let me grab my calculator real quick. We're going to go to Chili's, and we are going to see what a good potential number could be as a good prediction for the long term. I don't use TA for long-term price predictions because that's going to, all TA is going to do for long-term 5 to 10 plus years is it's going to tell me the general direction. I cannot get a specific number or a realistic number based on TA for 5 to 10 plus years from now. It's just not realistic. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to take its current circulating supply. Actually, we're not even going to take current circulating supply. What I usually do, guys, is 5 to 10 plus years from now, 5 to 10 years from now, maybe, this circulating supply is probably going to be closer to 80 to 90% potentially, maybe even close to 100%. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use, for circulating supply, I'm not going to use 5.8 billion. I'm actually going to use 8 billion. Because at the time that, the coin is up there, it's probably going to be about that, at that level. So hang on just a second. In addition to being an altcoin addict, I'm also a coffee addict. So, hey, it is what it is. All right, so we're going to take 8 billion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to take 8 billion, and we're going to multiply it by, well, let me see what the all-time high is first real quick. All right, so Chili's all-time high is 89 cents. All right, so I'm going to see if it can go to $5. $5. All right, so we're going to multiply 8 billion by $5, which I'm pretty sure is going to be like 40 billion dollars, thousand million billion. That's $40 billion. All right, guys, so that would be the market cap in 5 to 10 plus years. That would be average. We're just doing this average. I'm not saying it's going to be exactly that, just an average general number. So $40 billion market cap in 5 to 10 plus years for Chili's. Now, Chili's has grown quite a bit in the last, year or so. It's came a long way. It really has. So as we can see, let's see here, $40 billion. That would put it, if it were to go to $40 billion like right now, that would put it roughly around, the area that Cardano is at right now, which, I mean, obviously, right now at this point in time, I don't realistically see that happening. But in 5 to 10 plus years from now, I'd say it's a good 50-50 chance, but I don't like to run my investments on a 50-50 chance on what I think. I like to be 100% positive in my own opinion if it's going to be there or not. So I don't know for a fact. I don't know. I feel kind of wishy-washy on $40 billion for Chili's. So I'm going to come down a little bit, and I'm going to do, let's see here, 8. We'll go with 8 billion again. 8 billion, we're going to multiply it by, let's go $3.50. So that'd be roughly $28 billion. And, 5 to 10 years from now, guys, I feel like, it could probably go a lot higher than that. It could. But $28 billion between now and 5 to 10 years from now, that it could easily get to that. I mean, Bitcoin got to $1 trillion in this last bull run. Just think of where the next bull run will take it. It could take it to $2 trillion. You never know. But anyway, in the future, guys, in the long term, as more money enters the market, all of these numbers are going to go straight up. So, these numbers are going to be completely different in 5 to 10 plus years. So keep that in mind. Now, $28 billion for CHZ, that's still kind of pushing it in 5 to 10 years. We're talking about the next bull market, which could be about 3 or 4 years from now. But then 10 years from now, 2 bull markets from now, if that's what happens, if it stays on the cycle that it's been on, 2 bull markets from now, it could very well possibly get to $28 billion market cap or around there, which would put the coin around $3.50. And that's my realistic price prediction. That's what I realistically think it could get to in that time frame. So, hey, it is what it is. That's the way I do things. And, hey, everybody does things differently. I've been doing this for 5 years now. And as far as, investing long term, and it's worked out well for me. And I do it with basic math just like this. And I've been holding on to coins for a very long time, and it's worked out. So, hey, $3.50 in 5 to 10 plus years from now, it's definitely a possibility in my opinion. So that's my price prediction for this coin. And yeah, that pretty much does it for this video. So guys, I guess it's time for me to go ahead and wrap this up. But before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter with the link in the video description. And also guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me. And with that said, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in the comment section of my future videos or on Twitter.